we go. Where are you, Melanie?
Well, I don't have a list, but let me see if I can find out what's going on.
21, that's car 21, got a new donut tire. I wonder where we found that.
That's Nicholas Cressy, car number 21. This is the female driver, Samantha Ramsey, in car number 71.
This is Dwayne.
Who's this little short job? PT Cruiser, that's. Let me see what your number is. Car number 99 is Michael Phillips out of Turner. Who's this? This is car number 88, Dwayne Evans out of Bodenham. 922 Conrad Car. I've already done 71. There's the PT Cruiser again. There's 89. 89 is, holy moly, Bobby Mishu out of Farmingdale. And
Here comes the loader. So you know what that means.
car number 5,
fellas, come on
Nick
in.
Garvin.
50-50, fellas, come on in. We're going to count them down. We'll try and give me the thumbs up. And here comes Sean.
50-50, fellas, come in, please.
Loaders are in place. Thumbs up. Count them down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
50-50, fellas. Get down here. We got to have them tickets.
Shot that car up.
Really?
Tom, Kelly, Lily, Owen, we need you in here.
Jimmy,
He'll be the last one dragging in. He's a greedy fella. We got a compact car coming in the corner.
yeah, it looks like he's got a donut on the rear wheel.
Yeah.
We don't care whether it's a donut or not. Oh, pop that donut
Feel
on.
now.
Look out, Fallon, he's coming. Oh, they're ganging up on her. Hit him back. There you go. Push him. We need Lily and Jimmy and Kelly and Tom. You need to come in.
Yeah. You gotta come in, ticket fellas. They got the phone dragging. I don't know why. Where are you, Lily? Kelly? Jimmy? Come on, Lily, Kelly. Jim. Got any tickets, Tom?
Come on, Dwayne. Come
Well,
on,
we still
Dwayne.
got 5 of them going. 6 of them going. 2, 4, 6.
Come on, Kelly, Jimmy, Lily.
Come on, Dwayne. Come on, Dwayne.
Oh no,
All of our guys at the same time. All right, Jimmy and Kelly, we gotta have to. We coming. Go get him, go get him, go get him. Nail him, all right. Moving again.
Behind you, he's coming. He didn't even see him. He was looking the other way.
We got 2 cars moving, 1 running the truck. Here comes Jimmy. Where's Kelly?
She's in. We got all the tickets out.
Roll in. Get them tickets ripped up, guys. Still moving. 1, 2, 3. Looks like you've been hit a few times. Oh, wow. I didn't even... I see him do going in and roll mine.
Oh,
there we go.
Here comes number 5 out of the back.
Oh.
It's ring around the roses time. Or ring around the Samantha time. Samantha's in that number 71.
There we go. Now we can see what's going on right down here in front row seat. Uh-oh.
He's done. He's 21's done. Hey! He needs out.
Cut his seatbelt. Oh! Cut his seatbelt. You got to cut his seatbelt. You got a knife? Yeah. Now we're a little lovey-dovey after they smack the hell out of each other. Boy, they must be from out of state. They're redneck, one of the two. Anybody that drives like that probably is a redneck.
Okay, car number 99, car number 5 are the ones that are going to win. The one in the middle, 21. He was one of the last ones to hit, but he could not continue because his seat broke and his
seatbelt was choking him. So we drove over here to get our attention. They're saying how we got him taken care of. Give him a hand, ladies and gentlemen. We got 1 class to go. Then we're going to do the derby. The fireworks. We're going to draw our tickets as soon as they get them ripped up. It's quite a job to get that many tickets going up. The tickets are all in, they're separating them, and then we're going on. We're going to clean the ring. How many want to win 50-50 tonight? How many of you fools that didn't buy a ticket? Yeah. You don't want to talk about it, do you? Especially when the one standing or sitting beside you is going to go home with a whole big handful of cash.